The natural gas market is currently undergoing significant transformations. This is related to the Fit for 55 legislative package, which focuses on reducing greenhouse gas emissions and phasing out fossil fuels, in favor of heat pumps and solar panels in private homes. In the industry, innovative projects are already being implemented that involve mixing LPG with air, which allows for the production of synthetic natural gas. In the future, the introduction of green gas mixed with hydrogen and biomethane will also be crucial. iMaximum was the first company in Poland to introduce gas mixers designed for the production of synthetic natural gas mixed with hydrogen or biomethane. iMaximum presented equipment of Korean production designed for emergency supply of liquefied gas, LPG, and our own gas blenders for synthetic gas SMG based on propane and air. LPG gas is gaining popularity as an alternative to natural gas in Poland's industrial sector. For steam boilers, gas furnaces, and other gas installations.
The company eMaximum is the exclusive representative of the manufacturer Korea Gas Engineering in the European Union. We present innovative solutions based on safe vaporizers. LPG, a renowned Korean manufacturer KGE, over 12 years experience, has shown that the company KGE has delivered over 4,000 vaporizers and 20 mixers to over 30 countries around the world. Additionally, iMaximum presents a new innovative product, the SNG Propane, air blender from the MGA series. We can produce a blender that will mix biomethane with natural gas, enriching the natural gas. So we can produce a blender that will mix hydrogen with natural gas.
Representatives from the LPG market participated in the iMaximum product presentation, but there were also guests and representatives from the electricity and gas transport sectors.
A very interesting product that was presented here is gas heat pumps. I think this could have a future in the context of proposals of the European Union regarding the phasing out of gas boilers. I think that in this direction, producers and the entire industry should indeed be heading.
For us, it would be interesting primarily to have LPG and gasification installations. Since natural gas is not available in all the locations we have, this could be an interesting alternative considering that the consumption of natural gas is increasingly rising. It may be less available due to various political situations.
In 2022, a significant energy crisis occurred. Natural gas was 7 times more expensive than LPG. But please note that this could happen again in the near future because the gas transit from Russia is almost closed, and this could also lead to another crisis.
The situation regarding the transit and price of natural gas indicates that these devices will have applications in the future. Companies that understood this earlier and installed LPG gas supply systems before the gas crisis, in 2021, they will be able to recover their investments within a few months of the company's operations.